slowly moving forward.
Right.
There's the who else? Very cool. Oh, and there's the guy in the back
Why do they have to have those lines like that?
to tie it up. They'll tie it up once it gets in. That's pretty cool. Look at all the water coming out down there.
Right.
I wonder what Lady Kodiak is.
You mean what kind of a boat?
Yeah. Look at those big clam things, I wonder. Oh, here they go. Something's gonna happen now. Well, I don't see anything happening yet. There it goes, there it goes. It's closing. Oh, look at that. It's coming up from the other side. How cool is that? Oh no, a chattering child. So a new boat. The ship.
Why did you show that to me, Sheila? You probably know what kind of boat that is. Oh, there's a woman on there.
Mom points out that one of the fishermen, maybe it's not a fisherman.